The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dakota, or 7 miles northeast of Freeport, moving northeast at 85 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Orfordville, Albany, Footville, Fulton, Newark, Magnolia, Hanover, Cooksville, Judah, Avon, Indian Fort, Leiden, and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room